my TikTok family and to insurance app. You know, I'm seated somewhere at a parking lot, and a vehicle has just passed and triggered my attention on two things that I think are quite important that I discuss. Number one, I noticed the windshield is heavily tinted. Number two, there's a lot of heavy music in the car. There's nothing wrong in you installing such things, but I can tell you, my friend, this can easily land you into problems when you get to pose a claim to the insurer. Number one, all that needs to be done is that the insurance company will just need to prove that the vision, or rather the road was, or rather your vision was actually impaired based on the fact that the tint was affecting your vision. This would normally happen, especially when your claim is at night or you're driving at places where there is fog. Number one, and I always say, is that if you have to do this, I would insist that you get yourself these things done by a professional who will actually give you even a certificate for that installation. This thing of the tint has originated from these high-end vehicles, where you find that the tint is the windshield is tinted, but the windshield being tinted basically comes with a certification, or rather done from the manufacturer's point of what we call assembling. Now, if you go to those third-rate, or rather mechanics, our roadside mechanics, who just comes with a film and tells you, no, we can tint this windscreen and I can make it look like that, and it looks like factory, that can easily lead you into problems. Number two is the music systems that we install. It is fine. We have all these kinds of guys doing these music systems, but the video that plays on your screen, your dashboard, can really cause you a problem, because whatever that comes from the manufacturer, and I think some mechanic can get to bet me, is that any time the car is in motion, that video vision is cut off immediately. The minute you you disengage the handbrake or your leg brake, or whichever it is, and the car is in motion, you engage your gear, the video, or rather the vision aspect of it, cuts down immediately. Number three is also the spacers that we install on these vehicles. Always be very particular, or rather very, very careful with who gets to do this